Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some wood piles for the guests that will be staying on Tiny Dreamer Homestead in either RVs or tents, or even when I rent out my house on Airbnb. This is complimentary wood because I've picked up so much around the homestead that I just don't know what to do with it. So I've just been making wood piles, and that's what we're gonna do today is form a little wood pile. This is to stop us from buying anything on Amazon. I'm gonna make like a little frame and show you how I put it together. We'll probably make two of them, one for smaller branches and one for the bigger branches. And of course, we're gonna be using my golf cart, so let me get that out. I did see some birds come out of this pile, so I'm hoping they're just hanging out in there and there's no nest in there. But we're gonna find out. Okay, so this is the pile we're gonna be working on. I'll be making the wood stand right here, just so it's easier to deal with and not have to go too far. I'm gonna make the frame first. This time I've got gloves and glasses so that I'm safer doing this. I don't know, we're going with it. It's probably supposed to be on top of my hair. What we're doing here is making a frame to hold all of the branches, and now what we're going to do is take two like sharp sticks and put them on each side right here so that that middle can hold all of the branches. Use this to hammer it in. It worked. Let's get another two. Do this again. Ugh, these goggles are no joke. Oh. Now I switched those around because there's a lot less of the bigger branches than these smaller branches, so we're not going to need as big of a firewood station. I feel like I am barely making a dent on that pile, but we are getting there because these two piles are absolutely growing. So making a little bit of progress. Our little wood piles are pretty much filled up. I'm going to be using the rest of that pile over there for another project. If I do need more wood, I could make another couple piles. I do have these other piles over here, one set up over there, and then one just random scraps of stuff that I should make a pile with. That was making a couple wood piles for guests when they come to rent. That pile was barely even touched, the one that we were working on, and we built 2 full wood piles. I am going to be using that other wood for another project, which I did tell you about. At least you guys know how to make a wood pile in case you need to do it yourself. On Amazon, there was frames and things of that nature to hold wood, wood stands, little circles, squares that you put 2x4s in. I didn't want to spend money on any of that. I thought of a way to do it on my own, and I did get a little bit of help from my friend Johnny. He's the one that mentioned sharpening the end so that you can slam it into the ground so that it's more sturdy. When I did my other wood piles down by the RV section, I did not do that, and one time the pile fell. Thanks a lot, Johnny. That was a great tip, and I'm sure it'll help everyone else too. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and click the notifications bell so you can receive a notification every time I post a new video, which is every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. So I thought about don't put that. I thought up. Don't put that. All right, this time. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to be, don't put that.